So it's finally the weekend, and one of my best friends has come down from India for the graduation. So I am almost done cleaning my room.
It started.
So even I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll do whatever we have to. This is Aishwarya's things. The first time we had to climb 4 flights of stairs, we had to carry 20 suitcases, but this time it's all
very,
light.
very light.
Show me this, and this is so freaking pretty, dude. I cannot. Apparently it's from Rajasthan and it's made of mud. I don't know what's the Hindi word for it, but it's made of mud. So pretty.
I see. I got you theplas, Sharon.
Tepla!
Theplas. Gujarati khana khaiye. Yummy, yummy theplas.
How to say हाथ का घर का बना हुआ माँ के
माँ
हाथ
के
का.
हाथ का बना हुआ खाना.
Let's go. Nami and Ash are going for a party. We don't know where, we don't know how, we don't know with who. Bro, I found a dancer. He glides, dude. The man glides. Kya matlab? He's such a smooth dancer. I'm just like,
Dancer jodi dono.
So like a parent.
this is the aftermath of getting ready. Kya matlab, bhai? 110,000 bras are there for what? So we're back. Fine. But we had a very nice night. We're awake now. A slight hangover.
Yes.
Because I don't drink anymore. We went to Albert Slosh. We were the party there, to be honest, because nobody else was dancing. There were some very aggressively old men coming at us.
Trying to wink, and it
Right.
looked like
It looked like a fucking stroke.
strong.
This old man who looks like he's in 60s or something, he's standing like what, Shana like that, and he's like, I'm like, bye, someone, he's getting a stroke, please help him, man. This man has winked at me thrice, and I've just looked at him with so much disgust, like, and still he's winking. What the hell, man? There was another guy who was after her. I mean, from the start to finish, he was trying to be in her vicinity. Like how? And this guy was so smug. Yeah, it's not even like, you know, he's like being respectful. He's just coming like 3 men who look like they are in their 40s to 50s. Where are their wives? We don't know. They don't know. Where their wives don't know where these guys are. They have come and they're like, oh what? Tell us where do we look like we're from. We're like, no. He's like, who looks the oldest? No.
Who has the broader shoulders?
Yeah, who has the broadest? I'm like, sir, we can tell you who has the biggest stomach. Because what the hell? And we're like, no. And then the other guy goes like, they don't speak English. We're like, no. And then they finally got it and they left. And it's like, why are you bothering us? Like, we have not even looked in your direction for you to come and approach us. At least if we look and we are just like, that's a sign, boys. That is a sign. Okay, guys, so this is the actual reason Aishwarya's here. To take all her things back. It's not for the convocation, it's for her clothes.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh my god!
The scam of a game, dude.
Okay,